Daddy, chill.
What's up, Unc? What up? You want to show me all the finer things in life, bro? What the hell? You gonna take me to dinner? You gonna take me to church? Hell yeah. Let's see here. So wait, Trump's gonna keep. Did anything really change? Yes, Longhorn. I had the news on, yeah. I'm trying to see like exactly what was said. I know it says Liberty said it was open, right, for business, basically. Do we have control of it? Yeah, I don't care to use them powers, sorry. Hope it works out for you. The if you're talking about the velocity count, I don't know. I'm sure there'll be a denial report or whoa. Can't have that playing. Yeah, I just don't really care to go back for the live trailing drawdown right now. If that makes sense. Could be good. I don't even know. Trying to think what I want to play. Yeah, I definitely don't want to listen to Timber right now.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at that fucking smile on my face.
Yay, Funk. Thank you for the
money
gifts.
can't
I
buy happiness.
appreciate
Look
you.
at that fucking smile on my face.
Is that a taco too?
They say money
Trump
can't buy happiness.
tells
Look at that
Axios that
fucking
he
smile
expects
on my face.
Iran deal in a day or two. So again, Trump speaking to Axios says he expects Iran deal in a day or two. This is Trump speaking to Axios says Iran meeting is likely going to happen over the weekend.
Yeah, let's see if there's any good trades that I would have took today. I was supposed to get on 11. I accidentally overslept. I apologize. Um, 9:30. I guess it would have been choppy here. We could have took this trade for sure. That was one
This was
trade.
from Axios. Trump, who held a phone call,
Top
who held
Nation
one
on
direct
the
call with an Iranian official in recent days,
Soul
says
Taker.
he's feeling optimistic.
You said gold?
Again, Trump, who has held at least one direct call with an Iranian official in recent days, is clearly feeling optimistic, according to U.S. officials.
Not yet until it goes up. I'm actually seeing if it wants to. I can get a short here around 865.
Also from Axios citing U.S. officials that Trump said he's not going to lift the naval blockade, which has been imposed on Iran before a deal is reached, and stressed he wants the strait to be open for everybody. We have posted out the article on the feed for you to read through.
Well, you try to get in here long? I still don't see a long opportunity here. Look at the 30-second chart. Ooh, two shorts, huh? I'll try this. I was waiting for another entry, but I'll look for 831s as my TP. It can go lower to 825 is the next. It looks like it's more like a scalp valid. But this whole thing looks choppy. Oh, daddy. First trade win, baby. What up? What up? What up? The 1 minute did not touch. All right, we might get along here. Let's see. Problem is that they might ping pong. It might ping pong. Let's see. Let's see. What? I don't know this song. I don't know what I want to play. I got a feeling. All right. This would be a long. Damn, we missed it. Fuck. It's already at the next one, so I don't know if it's gonna keep going up. What's up, Mr. Bassett? Snooze you lose, Valid. Nah, I would have missed this too in a 1 minute. Shit. This is gonna chop around both ways. I'm getting a short on M and Q, but I'm also have a long on the 1, so I don't like it. Don't like it.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
US 3-year yields falling 10 base points in the day to about 3.69%.
D-Day Shabalala. I like your name. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Wow, this is going all over the place. It's ping-ponging right now. Ping-pong. Ping-pong. Gotta wait until it breaks out of one of these. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 p.m. 40 minutes. You're down, Valid? Unlike you, bro. Unlike you.
Daddy, chill.
Na, 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 na. You're in math class. What the? Go learn. Yeah, you'll notice there's a lot of pointless things in life. It's all about the money. Ooh. Senior and blah 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 is so pointless unless you want to make memories. Bro, high school was the best, bro. I don't know how it is now. I graduated what, 07? Holy shit. X6, yo. Alright, we're gonna see right here. Shut the fuck up, Valid. Were you born in 07? Holy shit. X6 too? Oh my god. I don't feel like I'm that old. I'm 37.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Come on, X6. Power says she's 42. Now you old, girl. Nah, I'm just fucking with you.
So just a reminder, we do have the IMF press conference We'll pop it on the feed for you shortly.
X6,
It has just
I'm
started
new
and
here.
you'll be
Thank you
very
for the
speaking.
gift. I don't feel old. I still feel like I could take 10 of you youngins right now. Alpha Daddy, baby. Let me know when you find it, Maverick.
We have popped out the video on the feed for you to watch.
I sound like my dad. You're old. Wow. Wow, Valid. That really hurt my feelings, actually. That really hurt my feelings. I thought 30s are the new 20s. That's what I heard. Wow. Liberty says, I'm 38 in June. My money is on the unks. Yeah! Let's see.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
I can't believe you said I sound like your dad. I mean, I probably am old enough to be your dad. I mean, my whole family thinks trading is gambling. Prove them wrong. Beat these kids, man. Can we like the 1500 day P&L? What? What, you mean you want to make 1500?
Lele, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Jay says we gambling. I think my odds are a little bit better than that, brother.
Abraham, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I think it's only you, Jay. My win percentage is really high.
Trump, now speaking to AFP, says the deal with Iran is very close.
Bro, I thought it was done already. I thought it was done. Don't start. Don't start. Ironically, my top and bottom tick model is 20% win rate, but my normal is like 70-ish. I don't know. It depends on the market. There's some months I'm like 90% right. And then you got the past 3 weeks where I'm just fucking spinning my wheels. I still think I'm like 60% win rate, but my losses are too big for some reason because I'm just a jerk off. All right, we got a short going in short. I'm going to scalp this out quick. I don't want to be too crazy. I also been sizing too high. True. Doesn't really matter about your win rate as long as you're green, right? I wonder if it wants to swipe this, though. That's what sucks. It might. Are you going to community? college at first valid? It might go to the fucking next thing. See, every time I go in high. See what happens here. If it starts closing above these yellow lines, then we'll have to get out.
IMS
Fuck me.
Managing Director Yorgiva says strong growth is the best shock absorber for the world.
It might soul collect. Fuck me. I'm guessing Trump's speaking already. It's already starting with me. You know, I get in and you get a fucking boner candle. Instantly. Can't win. I can't win. I can't win. Maybe what's his name was right. I am GAMBLING.
Also,
Me. I gotta
Trump to
close this.
AFP says there are no stuck points in Iran deal.
Thank you, Trump. Thank you for speaking. Thank you. I guess I picked the perfect time to hop on. I was hoping for a pullback and we can minimize this loss, but got my finger on the close position. Gonna close it and fucking over this. There's my 300 already. Watch it drop. Do we long it? All right, I'm gonna long it and see if it breaks. Hopefully it breaks, gives soul collect there. I would assume it wants like 900. The reversal did not work. Trump speaking. Randomly again. Eric, ended green on my account, but I hated trading today. It was not fun. It hasn't been fun for weeks, dude. It's been like really frustrating. I switched to long right now. Let's see what happens. My luck, it's Trump's gonna say something silly and dump. Still in the shorts. Dude, that was a perfect short. It just Trump started speaking X6. He's speaking. I don't even know who he's talking to, but he's talking to somebody. Yeah, he's talking too much. I mean, he's saying bullish stuff. He says, I expect an Iran deal in a day or two. Siren meetings
According to
likely happen over
CENTCOM,
this
over
weekend.
10,000 US sailors, Marines, and airmen are enforcing the blockade against ships attempting to enter or depart Iranian ports and coastal areas.
I mean, what he's saying is pretty bullish. Tweak says, I am calling the top 26,924. Ooh. That's one of my levels. How about that? I'm going to pin it so everybody can see what you're saying. So when you fail, we're going to say, failure! Nah, this thing is going to pop up, guys, so be careful. The short looked really nice, and it denied. This really needs to pop up, man. Come on. I won't fail. I'm Alpha Swede. Oh, we never been here before? Oh, so are we open skies right now? Is this open skies? Dude, look at this candle. Like, did we even retest this? Was this considered the retest? Jesus. V-shaped recovery, baby. Welcome to Trump's world. We are officially all-time highs. 860s, right? Yeah, we're 15 points over, I think. This is when it gets tricky. Let's see. Let's see if I could do a fib extension on just a pop. If I can find one, jeez. Oh man, this one's hard. I'm assuming I can do this one. From the low of the day to the first high point with the pullback. Points to, oh boy, 27,103 today is the minimum. 232 is after that. I'm gonna put it to the side so I can remember it. So if we ever need to look back, we can go over here. I feel like I need to just move one up. Soul Collector? Shit. Soul Collectors haven't been working though lately, guys. News has been trumping everything. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. I don't know. Nothing has made sense. In about 5 minutes, Israel's going to come out and say, we never agreed to this. They've been loving that. I mean, technically, this is open skies, though. There is no real limit. You can only do fib extensions. Fib extensions along with Elliott waves. That's the only way to predict the future. Talking about Willis. Uh-oh. Come on. The next extension is 78, which would be 921s, but in reality, we can really Go up to 103s. Do you think that's like a little optimistic today? We could do like a short. I don't know what to fucking do. It's just up. Regardless, we should go to 921s. But, you know, that's news depending. Move it! Now, I'm going to assume that this needs to hold. It wasn't a great breakthrough. Boot it! I love TikTok. I love TikTok. Careful. I normally would panic in these and get out, but the Soul Collector hasn't been working. There is no such thing as a liquidity grab right now because it's just Moon Nation. What's up, Calv?
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Hey, Ray. Welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Daddy Sensei. Daddy Sensei.
5 minutes? Not yet. Hey, does my news and music sound better now? I had to like download the drives again. It was crazy. I feel like an idiot.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Alexandra. Welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Think Monday will sell hard? I'm sure there'll be bad news. There's no way it's just gonna go this smooth. You guys think it's gonna go this smooth? There's always something. What the fuck am I listening to?
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Eric DL651, welcome to the motherfucking soul, Daddy. I mean, fudging soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Fudging. Moon it, boys. Moon it. Here we go. See, 1 minute held. Gotta get past. We gotta get through this. 876. I guess Trump's done talking?
IMFC Chair Al Jadan says due to shortages in the physical oil market, buyers are still willing to pay a premium.
I needed to blast through 881s. If it doesn't, we're going to be stuck again. There we go. Come on. Here's 900. Come on, Daddy.
And that's the International Monetary Financial Committee chair saying that due to shortages in the physical oil market, buyers are still willing to pay a premium.
It's still very See this, we got to get past this. We got to get through this. Let's move it, boys. Come on.
S&P 500 index gain extends gain to 1.5% now. Also, traders trim bearish pound
There's
outlooks
daily.
2 months later.
There's daily fanatics.
This according to looking at FX options. Traders have trimmed their expectations on a weaker British pound over the next month, with the key options gauge now at least bearish. Now at the least bearish level since February 18th, as spot sterling advanced towards 1.37 level amid Iran peace optimism.
Uh-oh. That's a bearish move right here. But, you know, it can sometimes only go back 50% and we'll be okay. Right at our entry. So it's not that bad. I know, I'm trying to think of what the fuck I should do. What, short you mean, Tweak? Or long? I'm confused. Oh, above? Okay. See, like, even the pullbacks just aren't close. They're not even close. If this breaks again, then just stick with the fucking long buys. Just about to fucking go in a little more. I'll take it a little bit early, though, some of these. I see this blasting up, man. Fuck, it's holding. Dude, this looks so good, too. Should just stuck to our fucking strategy. We would have been out right about now for profit. I know there's a fair value gap. This is the OG that it wants to break, though. The lower high, too. Still holding. Got a break now. I can't tell if this, I don't think it did. Yeah, it's still intact. We just made all-time highs, though. Something about Hermas is it straight open, or they're gonna blockade it and allow who they choose, the USA?
So it's adding what we've already heard before, just added detail of Trump potentially going to Pakistan if a deal is finalized. And nothing has been finalized about Trump officials returning to Pakistan, and Vance will probably lead the delegation again. And his team is preparing for a potential return to Pakistan. It's according to CBS.
Okay, 50% is still holding, 61 retracement. Still optimistic news coming. This is Nasdaq futures, MNQ.
So with this CBS piece just being picked up by some other reporters here, so making a bit more of a wider notation on some of the other wires.
You sure know how to pick them, bully bears. This can get real fucking nasty quick. That's what sucks. It can get nasty real quick, but it also can shoot right up. Always like in between, man. We can never get like a straight answer here. 870s above. You need 15. Okay, good, good, good. Now we can go, right? There you go. Come on. 873s is another bullish entry if you guys wanted to add to it. 873s, but it needs to break. You got this hammer off of the bully block, but it needs to break up to the upside. Hammer is, it comes down, touches. It gets beat by the bulls, comes up, and forms a hammer. Hammering at the bottom, they call it. But it needs to break the top of it, or else it just fails like it's kind of is right now. Hopefully we get another hammer. Okay, good. Up higher, up higher. 7 seconds. Go higher! No! That ain't good. What's 2 plus 2, Val? Did you learn that in class? Motherfucker, dude. Come on. Still holding it. They told me how to find X. Still in your shorts. I mean, we got a lower high, dude. It might actually fall. We got another lower low now. We need to break this though and hold. Cell phone. Perfect song. I scream and shout. Fuck, dude. Not getting a break at all.
Daddy, is that
I
you?
gotta
Is
listen
that
to
you?
my So what's been happening lately? I've been like just paying attention to news because it's been like ripping us apart, and then my original move here would have worked. We're gonna see right now if this holds. If it doesn't, then we're fucked.
Minor 1 p.m. Eastern time, we get the Baker Hughes total recount and recount data. Total recount prior 548, oil recount prior 411.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
We could start coming back up.
Zahir, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
We're at our final standpoint here. It's bouncing a little bit. $861s is along. I'm gonna put another one there. Okay. Oh, there it goes. $80-point chop. I don't think so. I mean, we just broke these levels up here. Rip up, son. Oh yeah, no, 5 minutes right looks like shit. Ooh, right in that cookie, baby. Right in that cookie. So, if you look at the
Short
5
expected
minute
Baker
in
Hughes
1
data.
minute, if we break above 68, we launch. Loves to go to the cookie and bounce, and that's where we are right now this second. Still holding. There we go. There you go. Valid, you moved the market. That's what happened. All right, I think we grind back up. Think we Gucci, boys. We Gucci.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Hey! Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
But what the fuck is this? I get so confused, man. It's nothing but bullish, and now all the pops are getting smacked. You can see it by the wicks. Oh, dude, I've been spinning my wheels for weeks, Valid. That's why I'm not trading my funded right now. I couldn't handle it anymore. I've been on this one Apex account for like 5 days. You guys want to hear something funny? My Apex account, you know that I actually was over 3,000 at one point. I didn't realize it.
So Baker Hughes oil rigs at 410.
So it should have been passed,
410,
and
that's a
then
drop
I
of one
lost it all.
rig. Total rigs coming in at 543 unchanged.
Here we go. Come on. I love it. I don't know if this is going to be too close. Five-minute broke that bull flag. See the bull flag here? What in the S&M? There you go. L2. Move this up a bit. About to go back to your old scalp indicator for the... Yo, is it working? I have it between 9:30 and 11:30, which I would have took if we had any. I don't see any though. Yeah, nothing on the 1 minute. And then I usually turn it off after 11:30 unless it's crazy crazy momentum movement. Dude, I would have traded very small after that. We need that lower high to break. We need 885s. Baby, baby, baby. What account is this, Valid? Like, why are you stalling here again? Ah. Yo, Soul Collector has not been working. I can tell you that. It has not been working at all. But if you look at the on the bully blocks, you can see where it stopped. It stops right at him. So if you did want to short this, you know, you can see that this is the bully block where it stopped. Softy. Yeah, there's like nothing. It seems like what I've been noticing, right? See what the trend is and trade the bully blocks. So like if it was green now, you would wait for the green dot. But I don't know. I think it goes up, Mr. Bastard. I feel like it's gonna do like one of these right here, and then pop, then pull back, pop, pop. Like we're doing the same pattern as here. Like a something's gotta catch my. Dude, what the fuck? Lower high again and stopped out. Patterns were working the other day pretty good. Gotta find the pattern though.
Iranian Foreign Ministry, a spokesperson telling state TV that the US blockade of Hormuz Strait continues, Iran will reciprocate. So that's if the US blockade continues, Iran will reciprocate.
What does that mean? That they're gonna fight back? Yeah, the news is too much again, guys. Like, we can't do it. I'm gonna short this. I have been going pretty heavy, I know. If this retraces the whole thing, I fucking quit. That was bearish. You did, Master Bastard. But honestly, I still think that pattern was bullish. You feel the gambling? I'm just doing probabilities right now. Like, pull up. It should do a 3-bar down. 1, pull back, down. In a real world, that's what would happen. But we're not in the real world anymore. We're in a simulation. Next stop, 798s and below. You do have the 1.26 here. If it stops there, I'm gonna snap too. Come on, man. Stop playing the games. Fall through. It's already collected, so it should come back down. It should probably just fall out. All right, good. This is a continuation. Probably going even heavier, in my opinion.
Lebanon's president says negotiations are not a sign of weakness or retreat. We're working on permanent agreements.
Don't you do it. This is a bearish move. Where are you now that I need you? Yeah, I ain't playing around, Valid.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? KKK, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Dude, come on. This is bearish. We Gucci. Telling you we're Gucci for the short. Been in shorts all day. My friend told me to go longs. My friend told me to go long. I listened to my couch was blown. Oof. Problem is that it's up and down. It doesn't matter which way. This is a continuation bearish move. But you know, news just affects everything. The music's too loud. How about there? Is the volume good now for the music? I'm waiting for the continuation down. Brad, answer me. Okay. I had to change my drivers, so sometimes some of them are too loud or short. I'm still adjusting. Oh, here comes the bots. Yeah, don't beat yourself up, Melissa. This thing is woo! It just doesn't stop. I mean, I got the signal to go down. The continuation. I think once the bottom collapses here, we should go, but it's holding. Yeah,
Al
green's
Jazeera,
green,
citing
especially
an
in this
Iranian
market.
foreign minister, says the ceasefire agreement is for 2 weeks and there is no talk of extending it.
Bearish. Bearish. You say buys only, but it just fucking keeps flushing on us. It could be a buy, but I'm getting bearish signals right now. I feel like it should hit 800s. We'll do some 810s, and then we'll keep some like right above 800. And then we'll see if it comes down a little bit.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Refuse to go shorts.
Melissa Fines, welcome to the Sound Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
It's not being stubborn, and honestly, like, it's not a bad choice to go longs only because of what's been going on. But I've noticed, you know, you just gotta keep adjusting over and over again until you get one. 5-minute is bearish as fuck right now. Like, we're bearish. On the 5-minute, we got down to like 728s. Gotta break this lower low to continue. Exactly. Anything is anything. All right, we're out a few there. This is the 1.23 extension. We're back on it. Could bounce off of it. Could blow through it. I don't know yet. All that ass in those jeans. All right, we're in 8 still. We should swipe through. Two more out. Next stop would be 745 if it continues. Oh no, we still got the 776. Take 2 out here. Think you're a wizard, Harry? I'm gonna take 2 more out because it could go up. Gold collector. And we didn't close above. I think this is a bullish. Yeah. All right. I'm going to go long.
Daddy? Daddy, is that
Not
you?
too heavy,
Is that
though.
you?
Because it was a pretty big downtrend. So please go in small.
DJ, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
We got our bullish signal here. I'm going to go 4. Playing it safe. 817s to 820s should be the first target. I can't believe you play with fucking minis. Mini monster. What's up, Nelly? Yeah. If you're saying curse valid, I don't like it. Don't like it.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Welcome to Dubai. So, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Okay, so Gucci, baby. As long as we hold this, we Gucci. You trying a short? I don't know, man. This your bastard's been right today. That we did get a
Being
short
picked up
entry
by
too at the
main
same fucking
wires now.
time.
Again, we've heard this a few times today, but senior Iranian officials saying that keeping the Strait of Hormuz open is conditional on the adherence to the Iran-US ceasefire terms.
Dude, that fucking held and then just dropped. Crazy.
Senior Iranian official says significant differences between Iran and the US remain, including on nuclear issues. Serious talks are required.
I think that was the bottom.
So seeing a little bit of weakness in the S&P 500 and some strength in WTI crude off the back of that. As again, a senior Iranian official saying that there are major differences still between the US and Iran and major talks are required.
Sympathy bounce. We're off an order block. We should come up. Can't fucking put a sell for some reason. Stop trying to go long. Fuck you talking to? I was in from the original short. Oh, X60 held it. The news is very crazy right now.
Senior Iranian official did also say, though, that a preliminary deal could be reached in the coming days with the possibility of extending a ceasefire.
Significant
Such a preliminary
difference
deal
between
could create
Iran and
space for
US.
talks on lifting sanctions and securing
Careful.
compensation for
Maybe
war
this might come
damages,
down more.
and says that Iran is ready to assure the world about the peaceful nature of its nuclear work if its demands are met.
I mean, this is a long if it starts breaking in 10 seconds to the upside. All right, needs a break above 772. Got a hammer there. Still got VWAP right here, though. It hasn't broken yet. All right, broke now. Because I'm not a VVG. No way that didn't fill. Fuck you. Come on. It should come back all the way up to 800s, but you know, I'm just a little nervous. We got to take it a little bit early. I'm so glad it's like just it's going over my TP and it's just not taking it. A lot of wicks here though. We should be okay to come back up a little bit. Your mentor? What? You're making me angry today, Valid. I'm your fucking soul daddy, okay? It should come up to 800s, but we're going to take out a little early. I'm soft.
Daddy? 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 Is that you? Is that you? Got billions. Daddy? Mr. Shafi. Is that
Welcome
you?
to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Who is that, Valid? Oh, he's not the Asian guy, is he? Is he Asian or Filipino? He's pretty good. I have a hard time. He trades a little bit slower than us. Remember, he trades higher time frames, I believe, and then brings it down to the lows. Oh, I might close it. Or I'm gonna put this break even. I got stopped out. No short for me until like 8:15s, 8:12s, and then I still need to see the rejection candles.
Daddy? Daddy?
I've
Is
been
that
trading a
you?
little
Is that
aggressive
you?
though. Hopefully you guys are green.
Jonathan, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I'm still thinking we break another high. 4 hour looks kind of nasty though. 1 hour, it broke. It broke. That's why we're falling. This can go 200 points down, or it could stop at 720s. Wow, that's a pretty big bold statement there, Valid. Whole college life savings, unless you have nothing. What's up, Shadow? Very good. CDs and checking where you can't touch it. Kind of short, huh? Boop, boop, boo-doo-doo. I wonder if I should walk. I am so fucking tired. Let me try to put my treadmill on. I gotta do something. Summer's coming. Daddy needs to be ripped. You're almost to a band? Very nice. Very nice. I had a coffee too, man. I'm still really tired. Just drained. Moving like a slug. Look at this thing. Holy shit. Woo! All right. Walking time. Time to wake up that body. I don't know why my TikTok camera is so freaking close. I really gotta figure that out later. Here we go. Looks like 816s would be like the next one. Yo, body. Alright, it's just chopping around, boys. Looks bullish. I love TikTok. Looks like it wants to go up more. We have a lot of levels coming up, though, where it can start denying. By the end of this song. Man, it's weird. So I got a better computer now, and I moved back to the old style TikTok, and now my viewership's back up. So maybe it was just, I don't know. Weird. Pretty weird, Ming. Trade gold. I do. It's just well, Apex I can't trade gold right now. I don't really see much either on this. MCL be long. Okay, we're going up to that level now. Looking for some type of denial in this area. If not, then we're probably gonna go up to like 820, 836. And we'll see how it reacts there. It looks good.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Jesse Morales. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Kind of got a hammer going a little bit. Maybe this is going to be it.
S&B's Schlegel says inflation is, in the short term, a little higher, and we see the Swiss economy recovering next year.
All right, we're going past it. Most likely we want 35s then. We got to wait.
Schlegel repeats that the S&B has higher willingness to intervene in the forex markets.
We're almost there. I mean, we are still in the zone. If we got a... All right, I'm going to put one order at... A sell order at 819.50. If it pops, it pops. But it can't... I'm not going to go in too heavy because there's a good chance it goes to 835s. And then we can short again. You know, it doesn't always play out like that. So I'm going to enter in one starter. Looks like we're about to break it. No, not yet. Baby girl, we're in short. All right, I'm gonna go 4. Now, 50% is down here, but we do not trust it. I'm gonna go to 800s. I really just don't trust price action lately, so don't wait too long on this. $5-minute. No, there's a 1-minute chart. More of a scalp trade because it's just too unpredictable. You know, in a real world, I would say I'm gonna take profit at 782s, but we all know that hasn't been the case. Hopefully, when it goes back to normal, the market we can start targeting our 50% areas and further.
So in just less than 10 minutes' time now, at the top of the hour, Fed's Waller due to be delivering the David Kasserman Memorial Lecture on the Economic Outlook at Auburn University, Lauder Hall. A text is expected at the top of the hour, as well as a Q&A from Fed's Waller.
What are we gonna do here now? Oh, motherfucker. They said there was some Fed that speaks at 2 or no? Fed Wallace. Fed Wallace. Kiki, do you love me? I don't know what I want. Do us, do us. Can't you see? Wow, this thing got real slow. Are we being? I don't know. Could be. Could be. We're stalling really hard, though, I'll tell you that. Lower high. $800. Let's go. Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Flashy ways. We're right there. We're right there, man. When it all falls down. Can't remember her name. Stacy something was in this music video. She's fucking gorgeous.
Seeing the text release now from
Fuck
Fed's
you.
Waller says if the war creates high inflation, weak labour market could call for holding rates steady. The longer Middle East war remains unresolved. Inflation and job risks increase. High inflation and weak job market could be challenging for the Fed. March headline PCE inflation likely to hit 3.5% year over year.
Whoa, daddy.
Possible that high energy price surge could have a lasting impact on inflation. The markets appear to have undervalued the risk of an extended conflict, and says I'll be closely watching how inflation expectations react to the conflict.
Loud.
If there's a swift resolution to the war, we can look through the energy price shocks. But after a series of shocks, it gets harder to look through an inflation jump. It says we will closely watch jobs data for mounting signs of stress, and the job market break-even rate is now likely around 0. Periods of negative job
Nothing
growth
more.
might not signal a recession, but changes to the job market make it challenging to
Might
analyze
not
now.
trigger a recession, it said. Think that's the bottom? I don't know. Should whole number bounce. I said should. You're gonna call now. How about James? Can't buy freedom. Come on, fall. We all fall down. We're gonna call now. Party alright. When it all falls down. Come on, daddy. There you go. There you go. There's a motherfucking short. There you go. Route 2. Give me another one. Give me another one. All right. 2 left. Daddy! Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Let's see if we can get along here. 789s. If not, then we'll look for 769. Passenger side as best friends ride. Want no scrubs. Long time, but now. Passenger side as best friends ride. I'm talking to you, bitch. I might get along here. It might be short-lived, though, because there's another block right here. I don't know if you guys want to mess with that. It's going to be like a 10-point move. Totally up to you guys. I don't know if... I don't know.
We
Let's
have
judge
pointed
it.
out that he's from Venezuela. His statements on the feed.
Passenger side, best friends ride. Going back to where the shorts was. What does that mean? Alright, didn't go in yet. Hopefully we fall down a little more. It'll be better if it falls so we have more room. The discount price? See if it goes like 770s, and we'll see how it reacts on that area. It does look like it wants to go, but we'll keep getting wicks here. 23 seconds left of this candle. Hanging in the passenger side. It's gonna be very short scalp though, so I don't know what to do. Might just go one low. For right now, I'm gonna put it at 800s.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Long tongues. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Okay, it didn't fill. Very good. I think I'm just gonna close this one. I don't want to go in it yet. Missed the entry? What entry? What was the entry?
Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Steve trades 2x. I like it. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Oh, the sell? Yeah, we got a little.
According to CBS, citing U.S. officials, senior U.S. officials, that they, excuse me, so CBS citing sources saying senior U.S. officials could be back in Pakistan for Iran talks within days. So no firm date has been finalized as of Friday morning, but talks could resume as soon as Monday. Minor, we did have early headlines from CBS at about 12:52. The U.S. officials may return to Islamabad for second round of Iran talks as soon as this week, with Vance likely to lead.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Come on. A little lower. He like 69s at least touch. And hopefully we get a hammer. Yo, try gangster. What are you doing, huh? All right. We're getting close. And they're oversold too on a short term.
According to Kepler data, Hormuz remains effectively closed despite Iran's pledge.
I'm gonna go in too long right now. And then I'll add into it. If it pulls back. I still want to run away on me. Five seconds left. Add two more. I'm in four. A little bit premature, but I think we're gonna be Gucci here. The problem is, does it want to go past 791s? I don't know. I don't know.
So from this, from the Wall Street Journal says most shipping organizations say the waterway remains too unsafe to cross because of mines, while Iran's military has said it will block any vessel it doesn't authorize.
That was a little bearish, huh? Should I take it out?
So further from this, from Kepler, even if Tehran allowed a genuine reopening,
There we
only
go.
about 25% of Middle East Gulf export capacity would resume within 1 or 2 months. Beyond that,
All right, we got a bullish signal. Hammer candles, doji, break to the upside. Let's go. Shirt trenched in sweat. Daddy don't sweat, baby. No. I'm actually quite dry. Huh. That was not the greatest news there. You don't want people making money. I know. It's like I get entries and then it's followed. You know, it's instantly followed by news every time I get in. It's quite funny. All right, we'll have to close it if it closes below
according to the commander
760s.
of Iran's Army Navy, the enemy tried to cross Strait of Hormuz during the ceasefire, and we forced it to retreat.
What? Iggy, Iggy, Iggy. Still good. Another second entry. Second entry right there. Hammer inside the bully block to the upside. Gangster. Gotta get past this area. Let's go, Isaiah. Isaiah, I be watching you, bro. You doing your thing. I like it. Yeah. Gotta get those steps in, baby. You can't be a fat fuck on the desk. Summer's coming, baby. Summer's coming. Let's go. Almost there. First TP. What's wrong with being fat? You know what? Whatever floats your boat, Mr. Fat Bastard. I just know Daddy's walking out on top. Hell no. Ladies don't give a shit as long as you got money. Some of the fattest people got the baddest women. Money talks. So I don't know if this wants to go up here. This is the choke point. So just be careful, okay? Money always talks, exactly. All about the $100 bills, yo. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, you see how we got like a semi-short here? I'm going to close this. I'm not going to take it either because it's not a great pullback, right? But it could give us stubbornness here to the downside. And there it goes. I would be more interested to see how 766 acts. 766, if it starts bouncing off of it, then maybe we can get another long. Because this might be the bottom.
Post reporter, the US is considering releasing $6 billion in frozen Iranian assets as part of a first phase in a potential deal to end the war with Iran if certain conditions are met, according
Bullish.
to sources familiar to the New York Post, with
Bullish.
the potential to ultimately release a total of $20 billion.
Higher low in the 5 minute. 1 minute. One minute. Still got the higher low. And we're going to see how it reacts off of this candle here. Because if it does... Alright, Isaiah. Later, bro. Alright, we're almost there. Okay, we're there now, baby. So, I would like this area better for the longs. All right, looks like it's not holding yet. Still gotta wait. If it drops, we're probably going to VWAP. I thought that was bullish news.
Third to the article, then, U.S. is considering releasing $6 billion in frozen Iranian assets, according to the New York Post, as part of a first phase in potential deal to end the war with Iran, if certain conditions are met. And also, the first phase of the deal, whose full details have yet to be disclosed, would occur over the course of 2 to 3 years, the source said. The full $20 billion release is contingent on even further conditions. So there's currently $6 billion in frozen Iranian assets originating from oil sales to South Korea being kept in Qatar. We'll pop up the article for you shortly.
Yeah, this is going down. I don't see an entry to get in now. So this was the entry to short. It just I wasn't sure. Technically, we're still fucking good. Shit. Whipping back up. All right, I'm gonna put a buy order 766. Did I say that right? I can't see. I'm sorry. 768. I'm not gonna go in too heavy because it's still a little weird. All right, we're in. Wow, that was what was that? More news that we didn't get yet?
According to ship tracking data, around 20 ships are seen moving from the Gulf towards the exit via the Strait of Hormuz.
All right, 20 ships. Gotta get past this. Gotta get through this. How, bro? What do you mean? It's got to get past this, though. How do you know? I was born like this. Nah, so if you're familiar with order blocks, you know the criteria for order blocks. Now, I have a slight advantage, my own bully blocks that I created, which is these purple candles. They're my own criteria. It deciphers a lot of them. Now, if we get a bullish candle like this, hammer, doji, hammer, those are bullish indications that it's struggling. So once it starts moving up, that's
So
when I will be
500,
getting in.
Seeing a little bit of movement towards the upside, a tiny bit of movement towards the downside on the Dixie, again very small. But the latest
These
highlight that we
indicators
have
are
is that
available
around
to you
20 ships
guys.
seen moving from the Gulf towards the
There's a
exit
30-day
via
free
the Strait of
trial.
Hormuz, according to ship tracking data.
Free Discord in the bio. Join the VIP section. 30-day trial. After that, it is $1 a day. 30 for the month. $18 years. Hopefully that answered your question. I feel like I want to take this. I don't know. If it breaks this, go to the 5-minute. Let me explain what I'm seeing here. So, bully block bounces off, comes back. We get bullish candles. I sound so Jersey today. The hell? Being myself. If I want to say, what the fuck? Then I sound Jersey. Yeah. Higher low. Retraces. Makes another higher low with a bullish. If this breaks 828, we should rip up. We should rip up. So let's do a little. If someone asked a Jersey accent, I'd point to today's live. What the hell? We are in a little bit of a battleground, but I see higher lows. No matter what, we made profit on this. I'm gonna do a break even. I want to hold this to the upside. I can't lose, and I will get back the $100. I don't care. You know why? I'm from Jersey, bitch. How'd you lose that one, Steve? I literally picked the bottom there. Every entry he took, I was confused. I explained it. It could, news says around 20 ships are seen moving from the Gulf towards the exit of the Strait of Hormuz. I might get stopped out here. Shake 'em up, motherfucker. I mean, mother fudge. Many traders
According to CBS, Trump says US
wish
and
that
Iran are
I
meeting this
fail.
weekend.
Huh, huh, huh. Many traders or other streamers. Oh, it's definitely gonna be a dump. You know it is. Oh, the traders
CBS,
wish
in a
that
phone
I
interview with
fail.
Trump says that the US and Iran are meeting this weekend. A reminder: there were some early headlines, according to CBS,
Trump
that
speaking.
direct discussions between US and Iran could resume on Monday. No deadline has been set yet.
Honestly, I don't know. It's up in the air, man.
$83.85 a barrel, down $10.84 or 11.45%. NYMEX diesel May futures settle at around $3.39 a gallon. Gasoline May futures settle at around $3. And NYMEX natural gas
When
May
he's done
futures settle
talking.
at around
Hold on.
$2.67.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you? The Big H, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
So, a normal president, I would say no. It's gonna go down. Now, this president, you don't
Trump says
know.
removing Iran uranium won't involve ground troops.
Bullish. What's this costume? I was born like this.
was born like this. To conquer.
Daddy, chill.
Might want to out a while. Yeah, I'm just letting it run. I think
And Trump adds that Iran uranium will be brought to the US.
like I'm thinking up here again. Cowboy! Many traders want me to fail, so I can't take over the TikTok world. They don't want me to. Baron, baby Baron's gonna be filthy rich. Who's Trump's son? Baron. Well, he's got 3 sons. But they joke around and say Baron's the prodigy.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? IOI Arts. IOI Art. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
No. Up in the sky. Ooh, denial here, huh? What do you guys think?
We have posted
Our
the article
eyed.
from CBS
Thank
on
you.
feed for you to read through. Again, Trump says Iranians have agreed to everything, including the removal of enriched uranium.
So Trump's talking right now. Still. He's saying bullish things. I do got a bearish sign here, though. I thought he changed it to 5 p.m. Nah, he's just doing random ass talks like he always does. And he speaks at 5. You are correct. Like, officially speaks at 5. I pay for financial juice. Yeah, up in the sky. Up in the sky. I also offered in Discord on one of my channels. One of my channels has right below trading chat. There's a news channel that shows you all the high news that comes out. It's only like 10 seconds delayed, so it's really good. Free Discord in the bio. Yo, it's denying a lot here. That's twice. I'm going to bring this up a lot higher. And then we'll get back in long if we have to. Wow, that hurts my business, saying that, cowboy. Oh, it said moderator. How did you do that? Tom
So
Williams
now
says
being
Trump
cited
said
by the Wall Street Journal, saying the USI's Monday talks were with Iran in Pakistan. You had Trump, it was cited by CBS that they're going to be talking on the weekend, but Wall Street Journal saying that they're looking at Monday.
Hold on.
That's Wall Street Journal citing senior administration official on likely Monday talks.
I'm on the 1 minute time frame. I don't want it to reject here at all. Do I trade with Alpha Futures? No. I don't really like their pricing. Everybody's like promotes them, but their pricing is high as shit. Tom says Trump said Iran has agreed to all demands. Also, Trump, I've started World War III. What the hell? I'm on the 1 minute time frame. If I didn't mention that, sorry. Yeah, you like that 2 minute? It actually didn't look that bad the one day when I was looking at it. What do you mean you would like to invite me to a partnership? Damn, watch, it's gonna pop up. Damn it.
Daddy? Daddy? Daddy?
Fed's Waller
Is
says
that you?
compared
Is
to the
that
70s
you?
shock, central bankers understand importance of
Lloyd, welcome to
inflation
the show,
expectations.
Daddy. Is that you?
Daddy, chill.
Bully bear style. It got real choppy here, guys. Now, I do have 2 short signals here. I don't know what I want to do. Just because of the news. You know, it's throwing me off. What? I only last a few seconds with my sister? Some you bumming you from behind? What does that mean?
It's now Fitzwaller entering his comments with Q&A session.
There it goes. See? Daddy ain't that silly. Na 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 na. "80 people, and you hit that motherfucker follow button. And everybody, give me 10 likes. 10 likes. Keep me out of TikTok jail. Keep me out of TikTok jail. We should at least have 4K.
Is that you? Is that you? Well, all right. Welcome to the show, Daddy. Bully Bear style.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for the likes. Mr. Bastard holding me down. X6 holding me down. Everybody else is holding me down.
Fitzwaller says some of the low-hire, low-fi jobs market is related to firms dealing with tariffs.
Smoke. Can't tell me nothing. We're waiting here. It's kind of stagnant. Hell, Skip? Which one was it?
Fitzwaller says scenario analysis is important for central banks.
Nah, ways. Alright, we might get another short here. Let's see. It's ping-ponging. Lower high. Can't tell me nothing. Now I'm starting to sweat. Alright, shorting. I don't know if this is gonna bounce off of here, so be careful. It's gonna be more of a scalp play, at least half of it, 50%. 796. I should be on every day, Cowboy. Oh, actually, Monday through Thursday, I should be 9:30 a.m. Friday, Val. Go enjoy the day. I think you smell of sausages. What the fuck? I'm in a short, but, you know, it could be short-lived. It's getting real weird here. You see it? It's almost wedged. Look at this wedge. It needs to get out of here. Hey, yo, what am I reading in the comments? What are you talking about? I've been trading over... God. I don't even want to say it. It brings out my age. I would say 15 years. At least over 10.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Ahmed! Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
This thing is really stalled
Brent
here.
crude
What's it
futures
want to
settled
do?
at $90.38 a barrel, down $9.01 or 9.07%.
What do you mean, Unk? Juice World. This is Unk? Is Juice World Unk? I thought that would be young and hip? Hip hop? He died at 19. Yeah? He bugging? He calls me Unk. He says I'm old, bro. He's your favorite rapper? Juice definitely has some fucking awesome stuff. Alright, Route 2. I don't know what this wants. I think lower. But it's gotta break through here. Did you lock yourself out? Good for you. Very impressive. Very impressive.
So just keeping an eye on the dollar here, just continuing to reverse its losses from the original headlines that we had out from Iran's foreign minister Arakchi in the morning about opening up the strait during the ceasefire period. No movement from the S&P 500, just on the dollar, just seeing movement towards the upside. No headlines at the moment so far that we've seen that have come through. Of course, if there is anything, we'll relay that to you as soon as we can. So just a heads up, Saudi Foreign Minister and Secretary of State Rubio currently talking about ensuring the Strait of Hormuz remains open and talking about the Lebanon and consolidating Lebanon ceasefire. There's nothing else that's come from them that's of note, but just to make you aware that
All right, Powers.
together. We're on a phone call.
Whack, whack. Whack, 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 whack.
Fitz Wallace says, I'm not worried about dollar losing reserve status. It's still trusted by others.
You really want to know what phone I have, cowboy? Everybody calls me poor. I got an Android. I go against the grain. Are you Android? You poor fuck. I don't want to be friends with you. I have an Android, and then I have to be friends with people with iPhone. But I think I'm cooler. I like how I blocked this person and just the messages are still going through.
Skinner
We
said,
need to
no
get
headlines
past
to back
this.
up the current moves that we see in the market so far. So just a bit of a reverse of what we can see from the big
All right,
old
I'm
rise
gonna
we
put
saw
a
on the
stop
S&P
loss
500,
at
earlier on in the
not
morning.
stop loss, TP stop
no other
loss. What the
headlines.
hell? It's trailing stop loss at 787. We can't lose. Wait, I should go up a little higher. Shit. 791. 791. I can't put it there until it closes.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Anna, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
All right, I'm gonna put this right, literally above it. I'm gonna get knocked out. Okay. I'm gonna go long
Daddy,
for a scalp, guys. We're scalping.
Is that you?
Scalping.
Abdullah. Can't remember what the water boy saying was. Abdullah Abmalagada. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Fuck you. Come on.
According to Iranian Foreign Ministry, they say we do not support what the US officials and their media say about Iranian nuclear file.
That was close. It wanted to hit that other one. Quack, 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 quack. It's still in there. Still Gucci. Getting a little tricky, though.
Fitz Wallace says, I'm not worried about general integrity of US official economic data.
Can you explain again, bully? Yes. Order blocks. They're constitutional areas where there's reversals. Now, I created my own indicator called bully blocks, which has a small but very important different criteria. I can't give away all my secrets, but it has to do with order blocks. It's just a little bit of my spice on it. Then, when price goes into it, look at the candles. Wick, wick, wick. Those are all hammers. They call it hammering out the motherfucking bottom. Digging yourself out of the grave. Then we get a nice little extra bullish candle to confirm to the upside. Boom. And I wonder... Does that make sense, Stevie? Steve? This isn't gold. This is M&Q. Oh, the other Stevie's here. I am up today. Knock on wood. I can see
Wallace says
price
AI
action a
could
little
help
better today.
entrepreneurship explode in the US.
Wait, what? The hell was that? What did I say?
Wallace says, I'm an AI optimist. It will create new opportunities.
I thought I heard explosion. You did, right? You heard explosions? I don't see any news article on it though, coming out. I need this to hold up a little bit more so I can put a stop. Right? Something about explosion. I know I heard that. Oh, AI could help entrepreneur. Wow, complete opposite of what we thought. AI could help people explode in the U.S.
Wallace says private credit is not
Yeah,
a big
Daddy's walking.
is not a big sector of financial markets.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna close this. I don't like it. Who I am.
Wallace says private credit can't suffer runs like a bank can and reduces risk.
No, my own. I have some coding experience. Yeah, I had AI help me a little bit, but you have to have some experience to understand what to do. It's not 100% ready for you to just make it. The easy stuff, yeah, you can code on there, but the really complicated ones, you really need to know what you're doing. It saves you time, that's for sure. No, I'm not gonna make you one.
Wallace says I do not see systemic risks coming from private credit so far.
I'm gonna keep going until something points at me. If I was your best friend. Plan short. I got real choppy. We're gonna have to wait a minute. It's going sideways. They want from me. It's like the.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Fred, Side 24, welcome to the show, Daddy. Bully Bear style.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
Eds Wallace says that seeing social norms around Fed violated, but it's not independence.
Now I feel like I'm sweating a bit. Got
Again,
hot
so
all of a
seeing
sudden.
social norms around Fed violated, but not the Fed's independence.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Oh, Milad, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
My tardy longs. Waiting because there's a Fed speaking. Fed Walla. He's speaking right now, so he's making things go a little sideways. So I don't want to just jump in and risk money for no reason. I like this song.
Iran's foreign ministry says 60% enriched uranium will not be transported out of the nation in any way.
Let's be smart here. You lose money, I lose money. I ain't losing money. Didn't give me a long. Missed it by like a quarter point. Hammer into it, but it missed it by a quarter point. You're in longs right now. It could be right. Skip song. This is a good song. You know, fuck you, X6. I mean, fudge you. I do like this song. Some of you guys are probably like, wow, this guy's a loser. I like the flow, right? When do I plan on entering? Maybe 765s. I have to wait. It has to get there. It's deciding. There's a Fed speaking. I don't want to just get in on a random spot. Liquidity sweep for me would be 737s, which could happen. I'm not really sure. Prices really slowed down.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Jasper, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Are you up, X6? Bro, you good, man. Take your time. You good. Take your time, man. The liquidity sweep is a little bit lower now. Oh, we got a bullish entry here. I'm gonna try it. It can sweep down first, so just be careful. I'm only gonna do 2 micros. 2 micros long. It can sweep this low, so just know that. Alright, I'm gonna go in another 2. Too long. I got 4 total. I'm looking for 780s.
The news official clarifies Trump's remark on Lebanon contra Axios. Trump's ceasefire agreement between Lebanon and Israel clearly states that Israel will not conduct any offensive military actions against Lebanese targets, but it reserves the right to self-defense against planned, immediate, or sustained attacks. Again, that's according to Axios.
So I entered here because I have a bully block. It's my criteria of order blocks. It's actually quite different. So it touched it, and then I started getting bullish candles here. So we got a wick down with a hammer. It breaks to the upside. The other ones touched it and wicked also, and then committed the long run. So bullish candles off a bully block. So that's my purple candle here. I do all right, Steve. I do have my bad days, but mostly I have good days. Past 2 weeks though has been extremely hard. Today I'm doing okay. You tried to get those indicators, you have to join my free Discord. And then if you want them, you have to join my VIP section and read the directions. There's a 30-day trial. After 30 days, it does cost $1 a day, 30 for the month. The only thing that I charge for. Because it's my own, like, I put work in to create these. What am I doing this weekend? Unfortunately, I work, cowboy. Wow, this denied pretty hard here. We got out 2 though. So free Discord in the bio. No, I'm long right now. Can it come back down? Yes. I wanted to get the bounce. We already made $80 on it. I have $50 left in it.
Iran Foreign Ministry says enriched uranium is sacred to us.
I'm gonna put a break even. I am looking for like 791s. We could go up higher. I don't know. We'll have to judge it. Got another bully block here. 792s. Still, it's denying a lot in this area. So I'm like questioning it. Move it to 773 is my trailing. You gotta read VIP section. And then I would highly recommend you to read the bully's indicators first before you use them. Bully blocks seems like what you're interested in. But everything else all has a reason, a rhyme and a reason. You gotta start reading.
Japan's Finance Minister Katayama says nations should avoid improper rare earth controls. Trump on Truth Social, just citing an article here from Breitbart. The article is that the Trump effect, Apple expands American manufacturing program with 4 partners. Nothing from Trump else, nothing else from Trump from the Truth Social, just him reposting an article. Trump just touting Apple manufacturing program.
Guys, I need 6 more followers to get to 7,000 on TikTok. What's up? What's up? Seven more followers to get to 7K. What'd you do? Something I did not do. I just jumped the gun. Put all my apples in Bully's basket. Oh my god. Yes, but be careful. Remember, I've been wrong a lot the past 2 weeks. I don't know what it's gonna do. There's too many that stupid fry. Who's stupid fried? Has it been treating you good, Alex? I've been having some trouble with that. Only for like the past couple weeks. Oh, thank you, Maverick.
Says speculation accounts for most of the FX moves.
I tried to make it weird, Maverick, with my comment. Did it work? Gus Green and good end of week. Yeah, I mean, yesterday I hit $1,000 drawdown though, but we got it back. We should push up, screw the Bears. We should. I said should. I can't lose on the trade. I put it, I'll probably make like $40 on it no matter what. Not a great week for me, but I didn't blow any accounts, so there's that. Maverick, honestly, that's awesome. Because it was super hard.
When asked about recent moves, says that recent moves have been driven by speculative trade to significant an extent. That was when she was asked about yen's rebound.
I don't really need help, Alex, but thank you for the assistance. All right, we're now in that area of question, guys. We're now in that area of question. In 9 seconds, I will be moving my stop order below this candle. 785s, 25s. I need it to close first, though. Oh, all right. We're out. We're out. It could be a minor short. It could be a bigger short. I don't know. But there is a rejection here. Hey, you passed 2. That's more than me, bro.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Alex Abbott, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
I got a payout 2 weeks ago. 4,000. I mean, for the past 30 days, I still cashed out 12 G's. Last 2 weeks, I have fucked up tremendously. Past 2 weeks, the news is really getting to me. You know, one's peace, one's war. One's peace, one's war. One's peace and doing war. Sometimes I'm on a good run and then can't get a payout some months. Yeah, it's just what's going on. Shit. I need 5 more followers to 7K. You taking any more trades today? If I see
The US
any.
Energy Department says that we loaned 26.03 million barrels of crude oil
I
from
might get
SPR
off soon though. I gotta
out
go
of
to
30
work
million
tonight. I
barrels
gotta
offered.
work out real quick and eat. And it kind of slowed down a lot. Look at this chop. I did pretty well for this chop. Most likely this wants to come down to 765s or below her. You thought I was full-time? No, I have a good career job. So I do both. Double dipping, baby.
Energy Department adds that 9 companies are taking the US
No,
SPR
bless you,
loans,
cowboy.
including BP,
And your
Energy
sister's
Transfer,
panties.
Crude Marketing, and ExxonMobil.
Nice, Powers. Nice. Took one more. Oh, man. Just make sure you trade small. Like, just don't give it back. It's kind of really going down. I might call it a day. We're up a lot of money. We'll see, on. Nice. New desktop. I like a new desktop. It's like a fresh start, right? Feels good inside. I got one of the standing desks. You should get one of those. A standing desk. You can get it for like $200. And then I got a perfect walking treadmill. It's awesome. You see me? How many steps I got right now? I got 8,000 steps. Not going too crazy, but that's on top of your normal day. I must be shadowed because I only have 16 people in here. I went from 70, 80 to 16. Just saying, I like you better. I like me better. And when it's all done. I'm actually sweating now a little bit. Not like sweating profusely, just a little bit. I bumped the treadmill up today. Not like that. I meant like a little moisture.
ECB's Cocker says ECB's Cocker warns of preemptive ECB rate action on uncertainty.
So I would
Seeing
like it if it
some
comes in this
second
area.
round effects, not yet widespread. ECB's baseline scenario is best case scenario. Hit from Iran war to Euro economy has already happened. ECB can't accept inflation that is counter to the mandate.
I definitely want to fix this TikTok camera. It's like in my face for some reason. I don't know why. Nothing else is like that. Let's see. We're almost there. Thank you, trades. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Oh, that's loudest. What are you doing? Oh, right. I'm gonna skip it because a lot of curses. All right. I got a short indication here. It can rip up to the 820, so don't size too high. All right, we're in 4. Looking for 793s. Oh, got all of them. I want to do one more. It could go a lot lower. I just don't know. Could bounce here too. We got EMA and the cloud. Very good, very good. Please, I'm gonna just scalp a little here. Just scalping. Looks like it wants to bounce up a little bit. This here is hard to explain what I'm doing. I'm just scalping the bounces. See how it reacts here? Monday I will be. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. See you Monday. I'm sweating. I wanted to see this go up to like 823s. All right, I got another short. Ooh, I like it. You got two computers? I like how you put your certificate up. I like it.
Meta plans to carry out first wave of company-wide layoffs on May
Yeah,
20th.
I got into early.
According to sources, Meta plans May 20th layoffs expected to hit about 10%
Guess
of
that was a
total
bad
workforce.
entry.
Meta's
Finally.
planning additional firm-wide cuts later in the year, again according to sources.
Got a loser.
See movement on the upside off the back of the headlines of Meta. Here, Meta planning additional firm-wide cuts
Later,
later in the
Powers.
year.
I like your setup.
And May 20th layoffs expected to hit about 10% of total workforce.
Remember I said break and hold above this? It's bullish. No. You owe it to yourself, young lady. Enjoy your weekend. Come on, swoop down. Swoop down. Swoop it down. You would fucking stop right there. Right on that 1.6, I think. Tension. I kept saying I should wait till here. I got in up here. Should have waited. Damn, I fucked that one up. Trying to see if it wants to reject this area. Anything past that, though, it's probably no good. I mean, we're still in the zone. Add one more. Swoop down, motherfucker. Swoop down. It feels like it was pushed on purpose. Break that fair value gap to the downside. Still neat. Melody. Break it. Break it.
ECB's Kazakhs says that not certain the next rate move will be a hike. Our credibility is stronger after 2022. Haven't seen much yet in the way of spillovers. A cut could be needed if economy moves towards recession. We're still very much in monitoring mode, and I wouldn't object to bets on 2 hikes this year. Tighter financial conditions are doing some work for the ECB.
Break it. Come on, rip through. Deciding here. There you go. Rip down. Touch that fair value gap. We're at the 50 now. Envy me. Three minutes. Read. All right, got 1 minute and 10 seconds to MOC. Be careful. That's when they inject or take money out of the market to adjust the books for the feds.
1 minute gonna see if we get the market and closing balance data.
Bad song?
10 seconds to the mock. Also, Meta shares add to gain after the report
Baby.
of May layoffs.
Woo! Look at that.
Barcode and close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 196 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side 15 million. Dow 30 sell side
That's it?
88 million.
15
And
million?
Mag 7 sell side 196 million.
That was nothing. I think I'm gonna call it a wrap because that's probably it. Look, that shit just fell, dude. What the hell? Right into the bully block. Wow, everything was so low. They didn't change the books at all, really. Let me wrap this up so I can eat, work out, and go to work, unfortunately. The two prop firms that I use is Apex and Lucid. For the latest and greatest discounts, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY, for the latest and greatest discounts. Both of them have end of day now. Much easier if you're not rushing it. Take your time. Pretty soon, we should have some giveaways next week. And I'll mention them in the free Discord, which you can get in the bio if you're curious and want to try out my indicators that I use every day live. Join the VIP, 30-day free trial. After the 30 days, it's $1 a day, 30 for the month. I shall be on next week every day, but at least in the morning time, Monday through Thursday, I believe. Other than that,
Bully Bears is out. Doses.
Daddy, chill.